We are staying back in our file geometry.dwg, which I have already provided to you in the resources section of this video. I'm going to show you a little trick now about how to erase objects that you might have drawn in your AutoCAD drawings. Very quick and easy. It's a quick click function in AutoCAD. We are going to erase this table that we have created in our previous video. So just zoom in so that you get a clear view of the table. Now just click on one of the sides of the table and go on clicking all other sides, and you will see that it goes on adding to the selection. Once everything which you want to erase is selected, right click anywhere on your desktop and from the shortcut menu which opens up, select erase, and all the items which you had selected would get erased. Job done and they are gone. Now we are going to take a deeper look into lines, arcs and circles. I'm going to show you a slightly different way to create a table similar to the one we made before, utilizing circles to create our arcs. So click on the Home tab in the Draw panel and select Line. Ensure that your polar tracking is turned on, that is, it should be blue in color. Now come anywhere in your drawing area and click to specify the first point. Drag to the right till you see the green tracking line. Now type 10 feet and hit enter. Our first line is complete. That's all we need for now. So right click and hit enter to close out the line command. Now, if I want to draw a circle from the right hand of that line to form an arc, a standard center radius circle might not give us the geometric alignment we need. Let me show you what I mean. I click on the Home tab in the Draw panel, select Circle and select Center Radius. I click over here and drag down. So this is not what I mean. If I select Center Radius and click the endpoint, the circle centers on the point rather than being flush with it. Instead, press Escape a couple of times to exit that command. Then again click on the Home tab, Draw panel, and from the circle flyout, let us select a 2-point circle. Click on the right end of the line. Now drag down till you see the green tracking line and then type 5 feet and hit enter. Let's repeat that on the left side. Go back to the Home tab, Draw panel, Circle flyout and select 2 point. Click the left end point. Drag down till you see the green tracking line. Then type 5 feet and hit enter. Now we have two circles perfectly aligned with the ends of our lines. Next, we are going to draw a line that touches the bottom of these circles exactly. So we are going to utilize the quadrant snap. Go in the Home tab, Draw panel and click on Line. When it asks you to specify the first point, hold down the Shift and right click. This opens your Object Snap Overrides. Select Quadrant. Hover over the bottom of the left hand circle until the diamond shaped snap appears and then click. Before clicking on the second circle, we again need the override. So again press Shift and right click. Select quadrant. Bring the cursor in the lower area of the right hand circle till you see the green diamond and then click. Press enter to finish your command. Our lines now sit neatly and accurately against the edges of the circles. Now for a quick trick to clean this up, go to the Modify panel and from here find the Trim command. If you see Extend like this, then select Trim. We want to remove the inner halves of these circles. Hover over the edge of the circle till you see a red X and then left click. Repeat the process for the other circle as well. Press enter to finish your command. AutoCAD has trimmed the circles back to the endpoints of our lines, effectively turning them into arcs. Last but not the least, let's add a center detail. Go to the circle command and select Center Radius. To find the perfect center, hover over the midpoint of the bottom line till you see a green triangle. Do not click. Then go to the right side till you see the green triangle again. Do not click. And then drag to the left, and the moment you see a X at the intersection, click over there to specify the center point of the circle. Now AutoCAD is asking you for the radius. Type 2 feet and hit enter. And there we have it. Another clean, precise table with a circular insert, all created using fundamental geometry tools in AutoCAD 2027. I'll see you again in the next lecture.